Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video, I want to show you the biggest YouTube cash cow company. This is a company that owns a lot of cash cow channels, and I want to go over through their website and through their channels as to what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and how this could inspire you to create your own YouTube automation channel. Also, in the left bottom corner, we will keep count of how much money they're generating. We will do an average of $60 per video in cost and about $15 for a short video. So we're going to calculate how much money they're going to be making every single month, and believe me when I say this, it's going to be a lot. Alright, let's dive right into my screen. So the company is called ValnetInc.com, and the thing that we do is we go over to publishing and then go over through our brands. Once we click on this, we will be shown every single channel they have. And this is really interesting, and this is where the magic is going to happen. Because we can go over these channels and see if it says visit website or YouTube channel. So what we do is we do right and we click on a new tab, and then we can see the channel. So this channel has 8.5 million subscribers, what is insane. And if we head to the About section, we can see it has accumulated over 4.2 billion views. Of course, a lot of it is also coming from shorts, since they're also posting these. And if we filter on here, we can see right away that there's a lot of shorts being uploaded. So here's like 1.2 million viewers that aren't completely monetized. We can filter on popular and see quite a lot of videos showing up that have at least 1 million viewers. So from the 4.3 billion viewers, it would be reasonable to remove about 300 million of that with all the shorts videos they have. It might be more, might be a little bit less, but let's say they accumulated 4 billion views. Okay, so then what we look at is of course the volume and the CPM. So with 3 billion viewers, we can see, hey listen, they post one video every single day. So they have a bunch of videos. I can't calculate how many videos they have in total, but it will probably be a lot. So let's say 4 billion viewers, and for a niche like these with about 10 minute to 15 minute long videos, let's say about an RPM of $3. That means that this channel alone has generated over $12 million in AdSense revenue alone. This doesn't include any sponsorships or anything related to that. That's how much money you can be making with YouTube automation, and that's why I'm obsessed with it. So that's just one channel. So let's put it in the corner, and let's say that this channel so far, or let's go to the monthly basis, because that's of course a lot more interesting. Let's click on a video and let it wait for vidIQ to load up and give me the monthly data. We'll remove some viewers just to make sure that we remove some of the shorts viewers, and it has 14.4 million viewers. Okay. So let's be realistic and let's remove 2.5 million viewers. So we get 12 million viewers a month. Multiply that by 3 and we get $36,000 a month. However, we still want to accumulate for the cost. We post 30 videos times 60, so we remove $1,800 from the $36,000, meaning we come to $34,200. Let's put that in green in this color right here in this corner. So we're already at like a lot of money, and we're only one channel in. Look at how many channels they have. It's insane. So let's go to their other biggest channel, CBR, and there's one brand in it that you will 100% know for sure, and I'll show you later on in the video. So let's dive and continue. Here we have a video mostly just about the Avengers, about Marvel, and a lot of these things. I thought it was also a little bit of anime, but it seems it's just Marvel. So it's still a lot of viewers. Not every single video actually performs really well on this channel. However, we can see more when we filter to popular. So some videos really pop out and go so viral that this will be their biggest ROI. See, that's why they call it with anime. So yeah, I thought it already. And then of course movie scenes and that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of stuff being shown in here. And the funny thing is we can also filter this to the About section and we see 1.7 billion views. Still a lot. And the reason why we know the website is because it literally says here in the About section on every single channel. So what will we be doing? We will go to videos. What we then will be doing is click on just let's say the popular one. It doesn't matter because we just want to know the monthly viewers and see how often they post. Okay, so we will be looking at the channel in a second. However, when we scroll down, we can see 16.1 million viewers. So this is about the same RPM as before. It's about $3 per 1,000 viewers. And the funny thing is, if we filter to videos, we can see how many videos they're posting every single day. And let's go to recently uploaded to give us all the data. And you can see it's actually uploading about 1 video per day as well, meaning that this channel would also spend about $1,800 per month on videos. However, this channel is getting 16 million viewers a month. Multiply that by 3 and you get $48,000 a month. However, let's reduce 1,800, or for the sake of complicity, let's remove $2,000, including they make some shorts. Because apparently if we go to the short step, we can see they're actually uploading shorts as well. So let's do that right now. So let's get 14 million viewers, reduce 2 million just for the shorts viewers they're getting, multiply it by 3, that's $52,000 a month. And then let's reduce $2,000 from that for the video cost. So this channel is generating about $50,000 in profit. So right now we're already up to $82,000 in profit for 2 YouTube channels. We are just getting started. We got 2 YouTube channels. Let's go to the next one. And we see a channel with 627,000 subscribers. This isn't really a cash cow channel, since they have people talking about everything and all the episodes and on what is happening. It's also not getting a lot of viewers. So I assume this is actually one of the channels that's most likely losing their money. I don't think this would be generating a profit at all. We can go to the About section and see how many viewers it's getting. It got 550 million viewers, but that's also over the time span of about 15 years. Nobody when they uploaded the videos, but let's filter to popular. So what we can see is we see a few clips, like 5 clips for Jurassic Park, the Hobbit official trailer. So a lot of their old videos that are literally 10 years and 12 years old are their biggest hitters. It is also not relatable to the content they're making right now, not at all. So overall, I wouldn't conclude this channel as being profitable. Best case scenario, they're breaking even on this, and I hope it probably gets a little bit more money. They do have a podcast, however, on a different website, so they might have partnerships on that and actually do brand integrations. So for this channel, I'm going to filter it out as being a equal base. They might be making money on the podcast, but that's an analytics that I cannot be seeing. So I won't look at that, and we will simply go over to the next one. Then we have MovieWeb, another movie related niche. So they got the Marvels, movies, they got everything related to that. And here they're also talking about it, and they got a little bit of clips, probably with licenses in order for them to do so, for sure if they're so big. Also, the viewers do not look interesting at all to me. So I'm actually going to reduce this amount by $2,000, saying that this channel wouldn't be making a single penny, and I think the staff cost that it will have is costing them a lot more than it will be bringing them. So let's reduce this number by 2,000. Then let's go to Game Rant, another channel of theirs. Funny thing is, it actually stopped posting, and it just literally uploaded a video 6 days ago with not even a thumbnail. The videos look kind of poorly. They tried doing a lot of brand integration with their logo, what I'm not a huge fan of. For sure not this big. If you do it, make sure it's almost not visible. But when we're looking at this, this also doesn't look good. It's a year old, they probably quit it. So let's just remove this entire channel, and let's say we've never viewed it. I can't say how much it's generating monthly because it hasn't been uploading. But let's actually go and scroll down to one of their biggest channels. One channel probably everyone is familiar with because it's actually super huge. Alright, let's go to this channel called The Richest. The Richest has 15.1 million subscribers. Let that sink in. 15 million subscribers for a cash cow channel, where we know that no one is behind. Well, in this case, there is a company behind it called Valnet Inc, if I pronounce it correctly. Otherwise, please don't sue me. So if we look over this, we can see a lot of videos. We see Elon Musk $44 billion failure. We can see the $150 billion life of Gautam Adani. A lot of people, a lot of rich life. Very basic thumbnails. I don't always like the text. I think it's too simple. However, if you do it consistently in the same text and the same font, it becomes a brand identity. So with this text, I would automatically know, hey, listen, this is from the richest, and I might be easier tempted to click on a thumbnail. So once we scroll down, we see a lot more of these thumbnails. Pretty much it comes back in every single one of them. So not all of them actually get a huge amount of views. You do have like one here that's like how Lil Wayne spends $170 million. That's like 600K, and that would be making them the most majority of the money. However, since they're uploading so many videos, we can also filter to most popular. And we see this is actually a really old top 10 channel. 10 roads you would never drive on, 105 million viewers. So let's just do the math. It's under 8 minutes, so the RPM would probably be $2 for this video. So this video alone would have generated $200,000 in the last 7 years. That's insane. That's like almost 30,000 a year. That means a full-time income from one single video for the past 7 years. That's fucking crazy. And then you got a lot more of these videos as well. It's like insane. And I know this video is not monetized, neither is this one. I actually once saw the analytics from inside this channel, but it's like years ago when I saw that. So here they also implemented their logo. That was a really big thing. I did it in the past as well with my Vine Cinema channel. If you want to search it up, it no longer exists, and you probably find some weird content. So you see they have a bunch of videos with 10 million plus viewers. A lot of it is quite old. However, a lot of the new videos they make is talking about rich and wealthy people, about billion-dollar lifestyle. So that would really come down to a higher RPM. So for the recent videos, I would say about a $5 RPM, and that means that almost every single video is profitable. Let's see to the viewers they're getting every single month. I have the feeling that this 4.5 million is inaccurate. I think it's a lot more than that. At least I was expecting a lot more than that. But another way to cross-check this is by copying this, going to Social Blade, and also fill in the details on here. Because here we can do another form of research. We can accept this for now. And we can see they're getting about 200,000 viewers per day. So it's actually really only 4 million viewers a month. But the RPM would be about $5, meaning that this channel would still generate them about $20,000 a month. Let's reduce only one video every 2 days as they're uploading. So they don't upload every single day, 2 days, 4 days, 6 days. So let's make the cost $900. Let's add up some extra shorts because they also post that. And that really would come down to about $1,000 a month, meaning that this channel would generate a profit of $19,000 a month. Let's add that right here as well. I currently lost count, but I'll make sure my editor adds it up. So you can see how much money is being generated with just a simple cash cow business. Of course, I can understand you saying, hey, listen, these channels have millions of subscribers, but they're no different from you and I. Simply because someone else has a lot of success with it is because they started earlier. Your main goal with YouTube automation should be to provide content that is valuable towards your audience. Just like I'm reviewing one of the biggest cash cow companies in the entire world, it is posting value towards you guys. And that's the reason why you stick around till the end of the video. So if you want to learn how YouTube automation works, I'll make sure that the card is here so you can check out that video. Besides that, I want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these valuable videos. And besides that, if you want to receive a free blueprint that explains how YouTube automation works from A to Z, make sure you send me a message on Wanner Cash Cow so that I can send this completely for free towards you. That being said, I think this is an overall good review. There's a lot more channels. I will make sure to link this in the description as well so you can check out all of them, because otherwise this video would literally be turning into a 30-minute video. But it would be very interesting. Maybe another time we can do something like that. But for now, I know a lot of these channels are new. I see a lot of different new logos. So for that reason, I just wanted to show the biggest channels around so you have an idea of how a six-figure cash cow business looks like. That being said, thank you so much for watching, and bye.